Good morning, traders. It is April 3rd, 2024. And we are going over our top picks pre-market for today. Number one, VVPR from yesterday. As you can see, he's making a good move right now. Just have to be patient. Now, we will wait. As you can see, it's doing a massive momentum uptrend, so we have to wait for a pullback, okay? So we're just going to be patient and wait for that. Number two is another one from yesterday. XTIA has 9 million float, 2.9 volume. Looks pretty good. We're going to have to wait on this one as well. It's kind of crowded. So we're going to wait. By the way, VVPR, this one, 3.2 million float, 10 million in volume. Let's go to this one, KTRA. KTRA looks okay. 39 million in float, 84 million in volume. I'm going to keep an eye out on this one as well. Put your alert here. Next, LGVC. Well, it has great news. Looks like 12 million in float, 1 million in volume. I like the range on this, so we got to be patient for this one. Give it a little bit of time. Right now, we're going to put an alert here. Next, ABIO. 14 million in float, 8.7 million in volume. This may not be a good selection today. We're gonna put an alert. We're gonna keep it on our watch list. Put alert. 2 more to go. HSD as in dog, T as in Tom. Same pattern. 886,000 float, 3.7 million volume, which is pretty good. Put your alert right here at VWAP. And last but not least, RVSN, previous runner, as you can see, it's starting to run right now. We're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. That has 11 million in float, 1.2 million in volume. So we're gonna wait. Here we go. Okay, got my alerts for VVPR. Let's take a look at it. Nope, at this point, there's no pattern. As you can see, it's on the uptrend. We need a pullback. We need a sell-off. So we're just going to just wait and be patient with this one. Let's take a look at our next one, which is this one. This one looks a little bit better. Pattern structure. Let's take a look. Looks like that should be here. We can't do anything right now, but as you can see it through there, there's the ABCD patterns like that. A, B, C, a higher low. Get in off the top of this break, but I'm going to give it a little bit more time. If you would have gotten it at 448, you know, your risk level, it's 395. So your risk would be like right here. If you got it at 448. But it's going to be a little bit more patient. A lot of noise. A lot of action here. RVSN, got alert for that one. What is this doing? Just broke out past pre-market high. Let's go back. Pull it. Excuse me. Just being patient. No, don't like it right now. This one's continuing to move up. This is our number one. As it continue going up, you have to wait for a massive sell-off. So it hasn't sold off yet. Since here, it's been moving in the uptrend, so we're waiting for a sell-off here. This is crowded. Have to be patient. This may be a break after 1 p.m. That's what it's looking like. This may be a break after 1 p.m. As long as it stay in this cylinder right here, here to here, it may break next well, at 1 p.m. Eastern time. It's gonna be patient and wait for it. This one's trying to sell off. It still needs to sell off a little bit more. Get rid of this because this is under 25 cents, and normally I don't play stocks under 50 cents. I got an ABIO alert. Let's take a look at it, see what it's doing. Alright, it's touching VWAP. that alone. Selling off. There it goes. Finally trying to sell off good. It's trying. This look like a 11 a. Well, this we're gonna look at that. This at 11 a.m. So we're not gonna touch this until 11 a.m. Eastern time. So let's put our alerts somewhere like right here. Keep it moving. So it's selling off. Good. Good. Right now we are just being patient. Everything is selling off, which is exactly what we wanted to do. Everything on our watch list is selling off. Just looking at the scanner, seeing what do we have. Looks like this one's trying to come back. Still would not be ready. Still has not pulled back far enough. So we're gonna see here. We give it 10 more minutes to see if it sells off a little bit more. This one is slowly creeping. Be patient with this. All right. So everything looks solid. Everything is moving at a slow pace, which is fine by me. Just being patient. It's not ready yet, so we have 20 more minutes until we see 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. So I believe we will wait for that. So I will be back in about 20 minutes. All right. All right. It is now 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And by the looks of it, it has pulled down far enough. So now we're just waiting for anticipation for a basically ABCD pattern. Just taking a look. You can draw the lines right now. Just by looking. It's gonna sell off pretty good here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put alert at VWAP. Leave this one alone until then. Let's look at XTIA. As you can see, still a little crowded. So have plenty of time. So just by looking, we will have to wait. This the way. This looks pretty good to play. Has 9.7 million in float, 7.4 in volume. We're gonna watch out for this one. Gonna be careful. So let's see what we can do here. Just being patient here. This look like it may be an entry very soon. This anticipating the price action and the volume coming right here. So I'm just waiting for it. See if it pushes up a little bit more. So I needed to get above this area right here off this candle, which is 469. So I'm looking for a 469 push. It needs to get above 469. Okay, waiting here. Being patient, waiting for the right entry and the right chart pattern for it. So right now, we're just being patient. We're gonna remove this. So I draw the lines out for you guys. This is A. Let's remove this. B. If you really want to be precise, it's like kind of like right there. B. So A, B, B. It's trying to find C right now as far as volume is concerned. I'm waiting for volume to push up. As you can see right here, volume is pushing up, but it needs to get past this area right here, which is 469. Is at when it's high as 466. We needed to get past 469 for us to really take a look at this thing here. So let's look at this one. This one is it's not ready for this one yet. we may be able to push towards this area right here. Uh-oh. Let's get back to it. It went past 468. So what we're doing is we're waiting for a pullback. Let's see what we can do here. So it did get as high as 469. It went to 470, which is good. So what I want to do, we have 5 more minutes. I'm just watching the price action right now. As far as I'm concerned, I may just leave this one alone for until probably like 10:20 or 10:15. Let's give it to 10:15. We have to see some momentum coming in. We have to see some volume. I don't see enough volume. Yep, see that's the pull down. Right here, we got 4 more minutes. Let's take a look at this one. See how this one is doing. Need some more volume. So our number one to look at as of right now is XTIA. Just staying on it, staying focused. Alright, here we have about 2 more minutes to the new 5-minute candle. There's the pull down. So this may be an entry at around at 10:20 a.m. Eastern time. We're gonna give it till 10:20. Oh, this one pulling all the way back down. See that? Yeah. I don't know why this thing keep. Alright. So looks like we will give this 10 more minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. We're gonna focus on this one, XTIA. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. I had to come back. Sorry, I had to come back. I'm watching it. It's trying to make a good move right here. But I still will not play this right now. It's trying to get past this area right here. I'm gonna watch it. I want you guys to see it as well. I believe if it does get past this area, above this candle's high, which is 479. It may pop up pre-market and then pull all the way back down, but I have to wait. I have to wait 10 minutes for the pattern to be complete. I cannot jump in just right now. It can't happen. And to be honest, even 1020 may be skeptical because the volume is drying up right here. See, this volume is trying to creep in. It's going to be patient. Because I'm going to set it up. As long as this does not pass 479, I will enter this trade in about 6 minutes. So I'm just going to wait. It's almost there. I want it to pull down a little bit. It went past it. Alright, I expect to pull down right now. Yep, we'll leave this one alone. I could try to jump in off the top of this candle of 491 real quick, but like you said, it's above the ABCD pattern. You see, it's above it. Leave it alone. See, this is the ABCD pattern. It shot up. I really don't like jumping in above this line right here, so I'm looking forward for it to pull down, which it has right there. This is A. As soon as it closes above A, we have to leave it alone, as you can see. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Look for another play later on. So right now, the next best move, it has to build some more volume up. I'll probably play in the next hour. So I'm gonna leave this one alone, unfortunately. Alright, let's take a look at VVPR. Still under VWAP. Just trying to hold this ground, but not looking too good. We're gonna watch out for this. And let's see here. How's this one doing? Selling off. Leave this one alone as well. Alright, so looks like I will see you guys in about, let's take a look at it here. The way it's moving. I'll see you guys at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So it'll be 11 a.m. Eastern time, 10 a.m. Central time. So we're just gonna wait. See you guys then. Until then, I can draw the lines out for you right now. Since we're here, this is A. This is B. It's trying to find C right now. Sorry, keep drawing it. This is C right here. So we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. So we'll wait until 11 a.m. Eastern time, and then we'll take a further look into it. Yeah, so that is the move. So I'll see you then. Let's look at VVPR one last time. Yeah, it's not ready. All right, see you then. All right, it is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, there's the pullback. Still not ready. You have to understand the pattern structure of the ABCD. You don't have to use a lot of indicators and so forth. This basic price action and volume, to be honest with you, that's the majority of finding out your entry prices and things of that nature. Let's go back to VVPR. As you can see, it's below VWAP still. So right now there will not be any trades as of yet, probably till in the afternoon. So right now we're just gonna sit on our hands, and I believe, let's looking at this one, we'll probably wait till the afternoon. So I'll see you guys in 1 hour, and then we can figure everything out. But right now, these are the top two plays. But right now, both are basically below VWAP, and I normally do not trade if any stocks are below VWAP. So looks like we have a lot to go through in regards to pushing through this VWAP. So I see you guys. Let's give ourselves 2 hours. So I see you guys at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Look at this just to see what's going on. Okay, so 1 p.m. Eastern time. See you then. No trades as of yet. Alright, it is 12:30 Eastern time, and it looks like everything is pulling down for today, as you can see. So at this point in time, I think I am basically convinced that nothing's gonna come in today. And also, the Fed talk is today, so we're gonna just relax for today. No trades today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay focused, stay trading. See you guys later.